Okay, so here we have the SGimage 25mm f1.8 APS-C lens. This is for the Sony E mount. Let's go ahead and unbox this, check it out, see how it comes packaged. Looks like this is a front cap and a lens hood. So let's open this first. Put that to the side. Alright, got that open. Alright, this is pretty nice. This is very substantial, has some nice weight to it. Cool. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and open the lens. Okay, nice. Very reminiscent of the Viltrox packaging. Actually, I have one right here. Check it out. Right, they're about the same size, give or take. Not bad. Anyway, back to the SGimage. Let's go ahead and open this. Nice box. Alright, pamphlets. Not bad, you want to check that out. Cool. Warranty card. Alright. Silica gel. And now for the lens. This is pretty nice. Alright, lens cap. Let's see, I got the all black version. 25mm f1.8 autofocus. SGimage. 0.3 meters to infinity. Focus ring feels nice. Check it out. Looks good. Is that 52mm filter thread? Not bad. And then check out the mount. Pretty cool. Oh, nice. The USB port is on the side right here. That's cool. It's right here. It's like, it has a, looks like a dust cap on it. So you just peel that off. Alright. So I'll mess with that later. Anyway, so this is the SGimage 25mm f1.8 autofocus. Let me grab another lens just so you can see how it compares. One sec. Okay, so this is the Rokinon 24mm f2.8. This is actually a full frame lens. I have a little UV filter on it, so when I compare it size-wise, the SGimage is just a tad bit smaller. That's still pretty cool. It's smaller. It's for APS-C. This is for full frame. However, this is faster on an APS-C camera, so this is also very much heavier than the Rokinon. So there's that. This is the Viltrox 25mm 1.7, so very similar in focal length and aperture. You can see the Viltrox is bigger, but it's also lighter. But this lens is very good, super sharp. I'm not sure about this one yet, just opened it, so I'm going to throw it on my camera and let you know what I think, but so far I like it. Let me grab another lens for comparison. So this is the Viltrox 28mm f4.5. So when we look at the size difference, you can see here the Viltrox is substantially smaller, but we all know that this is the smallest autofocus lens in the game right now. Still pretty cool. Here we have the Sony 20mm f2.8. So this one is actually smaller, not as fast. It's also lighter. Either way, it's still very cool to see these lenses being released for our cameras. Such small, fast lenses. I know like the Sony has been out for a while, so it's sort of a tried and true lens. Image quality is so-so. We'll see about this one. I'll have a video testing it out. The Viltrox one more time. The 25mm Viltrox. And then the 24 Rokinon. So anyway, there's the unboxing. I'll throw it on my camera and take some pictures, and I'll be back with another video.